Where is this, in Delhi?
In Delhi. And she actually has like a little PowerPoint that she would be happy to share with you if you have 5 minutes. I know there was some cancellations, but more than that, we just wanted to ask if you have any idea of resources here for helping start
we are again, with the help of the youth chapter, we are starting, we want to start a mentorship program where we have, as Vicky mentioned, our young adult, Geeta Sethi will be taking a bunch of youth in August to India to teach the kids in our project. We call them our HUH kids. And last year in IDC I met Dr. Rajan Gopal, who's I call him the father of the mentorship program. And so I've learned, I'm in touch with him. In fact, he will be visiting our project Koshish. So that's one of our plans for next year, is to expand our mentorship program, expand the youth chapter, because I really believe, we are here, but the legacy, the youth are going to take on the legacy of whatever work we're doing. So I really encourage all of you to get your youth, empower them, and just get them to join any chapter, join us. So yes, mentorship is one of our major projects. And I met Satish Chad through last year, and one laptop per child. Unfortunately, he's not here today, but we are planning to work with him, and he has offered us 100 laptops that we're going to buy from him and use it in our project. Most probably it will be in Koshish or one of our projects in Faridabad. So these are the two plans we have for this next year.
And it's a lot of inspiration for adults also, that a young person can take and this kind of responsibility and start this thing. Will you be ready to help other organizations here to create the youth chapters and become a contact with IDCA to help them to create a youth chapter around the country?
Most definitely. I mean, our youth chapter for Home of Hope is relatively new. We're 7 months old, so we're still learning ourselves. But I would definitely be willing to help any other organization who's interested in starting a youth chapter.
Thank you.
There is a career center. So I think you could approach the career center in each high schools. And now the high schools are also developing entrepreneurship development programs. So you could work on entrepreneurship at high school level.
Yes, for sure. I mean, unfortunately, I'm off next year to college, and I don't know if I'm going to be here, but that's something that whoever takes on after me, that would be a great idea, and I definitely encourage that.
Really good.
We're definitely expanding really rapidly, and we're very excited about our expansion.
Will you be able to create a HOH chapter in your college?
I hope so. I hope to continue being
No,
a
you
part
said,
of this organization.
you should say that, yes, I will.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
I'm of course going to continue being a part of this organization. And yes, if I'm able to create a Home of Hope Youth chapter in college, I would definitely do that.
You will be.
Yes, I will do it.
Yes.